enjoying this Trash to Treasure DIY series. For me, this video is also a part of this series, as in this video I am going to do the makeover of this old terracotta cooking pot, as this one is broken and you can see this one is having a crack at the bottom. But if you have not spoiled any of your pot like me, you can use any container to create today's decor piece. So yes, let's begin. So in the first place here, I am drilling a hole at the base of this pot, as I will be directly planting a plant into this. Now to seal the crack as well as to prepare this pot for painting, I am going to apply a coat of homemade gesso, which I prepared by mixing equal quantities of white glue and white cement. Also I added little water to make a paste-like consistency. Now here I want a black base for my pot, so I am adding here little black acrylic color and will cover this pot completely with this gesso paste and let it dry for minimum 2 hours. You can avoid applying gesso at the bottom of this pot, but I have to cure the crack in this pot, so I am also covering the bottom here. So now the pot base is ready. Further, I am applying a coat of black acrylic color here. Next, using a pencil, I am drawing here some palm leaves, and then I will color these leaves using metallic colors. Here I have chosen bronze and pearl white for my leaves. One can go with their choice of colors and design for this. If you are going to follow the same design, try to keep the brush perpendicular and use the tip for clean strokes. Leaf painting is done. I have also painted this people leaf on one side of the pot, and in the center here I am attaching this Ganesha face. Now you can see how beautiful this pot is looking. I could have directly planted a plant into this, or could have also kept a potted plant into it, and we were good to go. But you know, I'm really greedy when it comes to creating. So I thought I will create a mini patio garden in this pot, which was in my to-do list since long. So let me show you how. So for making the mini patio garden in this pot, first cover the bottom hole and fill in the well-draining soil mix. Fill in the soil 1 inch lower than the brim of the pot and press it down nicely. Next, here we need to create a partition in this pot. For that, I have taken this lid of a plastic container. One can also use a cardboard piece for this. So I have cut this plastic lid as per the required size and will push it down in the center of this pot. Now after this, here I am adding a layer of sand on one side of this partition where I will be creating my patio. This sand should cover around 2 cm above the soil. Press this down nicely and level the surface. Next, I have taken this fine sand and this white cement. We have to mix 3 parts of this cement to 1 part of sand. Now fill in this cement and sand mix on the side above the layer of the sand. This mix has to be filled to the level of brim of the pot. Now for the tiles, I will be using pieces of this ceramic pot which I accidentally broke recently. You can use anything like stones, flat pebbles or broken crockery, whatever is available with you. Then press down all the pieces on this cement mix. I'm not creating any specific pattern in this, but if you want, many patio patterns can be created here. Now it's time to cure the cement. For that, just take tap water in any spray bottle and gently spray on the patio. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times and you will see water is getting absorbed by the cement. Next, leave this to dry for about an hour and again spray water. Gradually increase the gap between spraying time. It will take minimum 24 hours for cement to get cured nicely. Now after the cement is nicely cured and the patio has become firm, I'm going to trim off this extra part of this plastic partition. I'm also using a wet cloth to wipe all tile pieces clean. Next, it's time to work on the garden side. Add some of your favorite plants, but make sure whenever you are planting multiple variety of plants together in one pot, their living requirements like water and light are similar. Now for adding a bench in the garden, I have taken these tables which come when pizza is delivered. I will be gluing 3 of these together and push it down in the soil. Then further here I'm adding some miniatures like this monk and these tiny pots. I will try to leave the online links of some of the items used here. Later I decided to add back to the bench, so I glued some sticks here and I think it's looking better now. This one was looking so pretty and was giving me peaceful vibes, so I decided to call this patio garden as Peace Park, which I wrote here at the front part with bronze 3D color tube. I am so in love with this patio garden. I think this has turned out to be fabulous. Do share your comments what you think about this transformation of trash to treasure. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family and don't forget to hit the like button. And also if you are new here, do consider subscribing to FabTap. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay fabulous.